Best video, ultimate discretion. These are the two things I feel stand out when we're talking about the FitCamX Dash Cam. 4K HDR video, a super wide angle, G sensor in case of a collision, loop recording, Wi-Fi, and app access. Now I want you to notice something. This is the FitCamX right there. It's a perfect fit when it comes to your car. You're gonna pick the model that's designed for your car, but as you can see, it just blends into the housing of the car itself, which is pretty cool. Now installing is very simple, it's hassle-free. You're going to take out 4 screws from this light fixture here, pop that out, and we're gonna pass through the power. Then we're going to remove this original base here, pop that out, and it's super easy. They give you the tools. It pops out really simple. I was actually surprised. Replace it with the dash cam and then wire the power cord through and out to the actual light fixture, and then do a pass through of the power, push it back in, 4 screws, and you're good to go. Very simple. It's all done in minutes. Now, I did mention at the top of this video that I feel the video is the best that I've seen when it comes to dash cams. Not only does it do 4K, but it's HDR as well. And I feel that because of the HDR, the video is more truer to life compared to any other dash cam that I've reviewed before in the past. And that's saying a lot. You can choose between 1080p, 2K, and 4K video. Obviously, the higher resolution, the more detail you're gonna get in your picture. But I mean, just look at the video. Again, it looks truer to life to any other dash cam that I've reviewed before in the past, giving it more detail and, of course, high dynamic range. The video is also impressive as well when you're driving at night, holding the clarity, the high dynamic range, just giving you a higher quality image overall. Now within the app, you do have the option to control the exposure compensation. So if you need it a little more brighter or not so much because the sun's too bright, you can control it from there. But I find that in the middle or one over or one below is just fine. Now within the app, you can also review the footage in real time coming from the camera so you can see it on your smartphone. When you're done with that, you can also download the footage that's on your dash cam and download it directly to your phone so you can share it or use it for whatever reason. Now, when it comes to safety, it does feature a G sensor. So in the event of a collision, the G sensor will lock the footage in place so it doesn't get overwritten as it goes along. And of course, depending on the collision, if for some reason you can't take this, you can always pop out the SD card on the side and take that home so you can view the footage later. Now, another feature that I really like about the FitCamX is, and well, you can tell for yourself right now, is the microphone. It sounds clear and very intelligible. It doesn't sound money or kind of off in the distance like a lot of other dash cams. It really sounds impressive, or you wouldn't expect this much clarity coming from a dash cam. All right, let me share with you my final thoughts. Is the FitX Dash Cam gonna stay in my car from here on out for the foreseeable future? Absolutely. Again, no one can really tell that I have a dash cam in my car unless they were actually looking for it, and I'm okay with that. Solid 4K HDR video giving me impressive image quality, a straight up awesome microphone, and of course, app support. If I had to give one critique, I would have to say I wish this model include GPS support, but it doesn't. But overall, again, this is not going anywhere. All right, really hope this video helped you out. Take care. Bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you like this video, leave a like. If you love it, subscribe and ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.